When it comes to micro-investing, two names consistently come up, Spaceship and Raiz. But which one is the better launchpad for your money? Let's break down the key differences to help you decide. Spaceship is built for investors who want a strong tilt towards growth and a focus on global, future-thinking companies, often tech-heavy. They offer managed funds like Universe, Earth, and Origin, and their fees are a flat monthly rate plus a percentage based on the fund. If you're young, have a long time horizon, and a higher risk appetite, Spaceship's aggressive growth strategy might be the fuel your portfolio needs. Raiz, on the other hand, is a master of diversification and the original spare change investor. Their famous roundup feature automatically invests your loose change from daily purchases, perfect for the set it and forget it approach. Their portfolios are diversified across multiple ETFs, ranging from conservative to aggressive, so you can easily match your risk tolerance. Their fees are typically a monthly dollar amount for smaller balances and a percentage for larger ones. So, which is better? It boils down to your goals. If you want a hands-off, diversified portfolio that slowly builds wealth from your spare change, Raiz is a fantastic entry point. If you're looking for high growth potential, are comfortable with a tech-heavy focus, and prefer a simpler, more growth-oriented selection of funds, Spaceship is your pick. Both apps are great starting points, but their fundamental strategies are different. Choose the one that aligns best with your comfort level and financial aspirations. Happy investing!